Nice cutoff. What the fuck are you doing? Really? Screwborough. There you go again. Like an asshole. It's not just me. It's like how fat. It's like that center lane's about to end, you know. You're not going to get that far ahead. You're probably going to get stuck at a red light because that's your kind of luck that I hope that you get. Screwborough.
I wasn't really thinking deeply enough about the climate change. I was always so terrified of climate change, you know?
Yeah.
And
red light run.
About 30 years being terrified about climate
sorry,
change.
Sorry,
And no,
never take it down no more.
never take it down.
Red light run. Toyo turd. You're gonna red light run. You're gonna red light run. You're gonna red light run. Toyo turd. When they made these bike lanes, they didn't have that type of bike in mind.
I'd say like 15 forwards, right?
Yeah. I don't.
I think like 17 that I think.
Why are you turning right in front of the guy that had a green arrow? Really? Toyo turd.
The spiritual life of Americans is now in the hands of computers, and that's just a fact. And maybe this is how we defeat AI.
Pedumstrian, pedumstrian, pedum-dum-dum-dum-dum-dumstrian.
He's extremely Christian. I told him I would try again, but it's been 2 years, and it's just not for me.
No, stop.
Do you have any partners? Do you have partners that have different beliefs?
So next time you whine 20,000 yards in a division evidently nobody gives a shit about.
No, stop.
Get drafted. He said, I don't give a fuck.
Droplets of Jupiter. Pasadiga placeboi.
But that was a red light. Really?
Well, it's. I mean, they're all great. They're all great. But
Yes, I know what this is.
Oh, really?
But the head of this Baptist church.
We tried spraying with a hose.
Alright, well, you're not going to like this, but there's a hemodispersant we can use.
Oh, God.
What? Really? Because Prius.
It is poison. It is.
No,
Yeah,
it's toxic too. Yeah, as it turns
It
out.
works as well as the other one.
And they're going to raise them.
Everyone did their best to pin all the way they could on Hazelwood.
I was with him the shortest amount of time. I mean, I can truly say I was very lucky.
Wait, you're just passing the guy?
Because he
Really? It's like everyone's passing people. And no, he did not turn left.
during this
Obviously the rinks are smaller. They can go by what the NHL rules. They're not going to go by some weird other rules. They're going to go by their own.
Nice cutoff.
Is Russia going to be in there?
The kid in Columbus, he's probably knocking on the door. Based on his name right now, it's the Blake.
Exit dive.
There's a few people
That
close.
blue car.
Solid 20, other than Kopitar. I just think.
Really? Yeah, you're an asshole. I'm just gonna say it. BMW douche asshole. Really? You're turning right on the wrong way.
Who is now a teacher. So thank you so much, Vicky. She donated over on PayPal.
Red light, Ron.
We also have a handful.
Nice cutoff. No stop at the stop sign. They're probably drunk, not sober now.
It was shot down. The second bird, you notice that I'm still not naming them, spoiler, had this message, quote,
No, stop.
"Honor suffering,
Because
and support be set," end quote.
it's not a
That's valuable latitude.
Prius.
So I don't want to cast
Whatever.
your whole essay here, but I'm
And you know, if there was one scratch, she would take it down to the dealership and get it fixed. She kept all of her shit nice.
No, stop.
And get a classic car. You know something about a classic car? You don't drive distracted. You know, and it's also not spying on you and talking to your phone and trying to get all your contacts.
And that was double line since the whole stop sign back there. We're like,
focus on the guy down at Home Depot. Which one has the moustache? The moustache.
You can of course make mirror versions of molecules in the lab.
No, stop.
That is possible, and that sometimes can even be desirable.
no, stop. But I'm straying, but I'm straying, but I'm dum straying. There's a thing called the correct tool for the job. That is not the correct tool. You're telling me that in the middle of bumfuck nowhere, there's no one around here with a pickup truck that you could borrow? I don't believe that. No, stop.
Everybody just hit McDavid what you have, you know. Starting with
That's what I'm saying. It's almost incalculable to what it might be worth to some folks.
No, stop.
Well, hey, I mean, the Penguins won.
Random hobo with very convenient information, actually.
Get out of the way!
And he tells her that the inventor of the electrostatic cold tube passer
Woo!
designed
Fucking deers.